Hello, how are you? It's Ching. I will introduce you to the contemporary Qigong. The very last one we're going to practice, we call running in the air. So this is number 5. Um, every time I practice Qigong out there in the park or up in the mountain, a lot of people running. I was wondering, how is their balance? Because it's constant do, right, left, right, left, right, left. There's a lot of things. And I also talk about running technique, but not today. So I thought about what happens if I just pretend I'm running, but not running, to add in the coordination and the balance to it. So hopefully that gives you another choice if you like to do marathon and prolong very, long distance running, and you need to protect your joint. So you're working on the muscle more and increase the balance even better and the coordination. So here we go. So running in air. I'm going to starting out slightly diagonal so you can see my leg, but you can always practice straight forward. So I'll do diagonal first and then straight forward. There are 2 parts. The last part, there are 2 parts stationary. Now, of course, I can show you how to into travel. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to start north, that's facing you. So I'm going to the other side so you can show to northwest corner so you can see my right leg, okay? So I'm bend both my knee first, right? It's Qigong Tai, it's all a lot of bending because you're strengthening, right? Building the bone density and not wearing off the joint. Okay, so from here, I'll turn slightly. Here we go. The first part, of course, you slowly peel the right leg off. You're going to reverse the downward breathing. Inhale, extend the spine, reach the leg diagonally back. And inhale and exhale. So get that first responder, recruiting the lower arrow, moving the upper and reaching out. Here comes going, I'm step side to this corner, or 1 circle of the arm. So opposition again, inhale and exhale. You're going to do dorsal flexion, so reach out the heel, and reach out the heel, and reach out the heel, and reach out the heel. One more time, and reach out the heel, and reach out the heel. So I'm going to step 2. I know that direction I'm going to. So proprioception challenge coming in. Okay, the arm again, opposition, right leg forward, left arm forward, and opposition. And the inhale and the exhale, and find a spot for yourself to really work on that balance. Last one, so we do 4 and the reach. Now I know my direction changed there, so in my mind I have this coordination, right, orientation of the space, and northeast corner, and the inhale and the exhale. And so you see my spine flexed, and my spine gently extend the side, extend the leg back. Last one, slowly come forward, opposition, and the opposition step. So I'm going to do the same thing facing you directly. Little challenge, I have a really thick gravel here, and that's what I do, always challenge. Engage your dumbbell, bend your knee. Here you go, facing you, so it's north side. So you can see my leg, when I reach back, it's diagonal. Don't do straight back, you will kiss the ground. And exhale, so I laterally rotate, AB dog the leg. It's really nice, right? So come back to parallel position. You laterally rotate, reaching out, so you're getting all the muscle around the glutes, right? Your pelvic area. And now I'm going to step to the side, right, round 1 circle of the arm, and left arm comes in. Inhale, you can see my leg goes diagonally back, and again, flex the spine, extend the spine, find the point to spot, and out. Again, inhale and exhale. Then you step side. We'll do one more set here. And I'm going to pick it up, opposition, and the inhale, diagonally, little challenge here, and goes out, and the inhale, and the exhale, And inhale, exhale. Let's do one more time here. And inhale and exhale. So you can do even slower once you get better, right? So your feet become almost like a hand. I'm really gripping the floor. I'm rooting to the floor and feel my feet is holding. Even the gravel want to change a little bit. My ground still. I see I'm facing you first. And again, inhale and exhale. Last time, sorry, just touch the ground and exhale. Like I say, if it's too hard to pick it up, you can do touch the ground and touch the ground. So just get that coordination first and wake up this leg. The legs, they say, okay, get me ready. I'm not going to jump right in, right? So I'm going to get ready. So same idea. If picking up the leg in the air, running in the air, no, you touch the ground. I'm running with the touch. And the hollow tummy, right? So you modify it a little bit. So you get this beautiful coordination. It's like slow motion running, right? Slow motion running. Slow motion running. So, okay. So that's the first part. And the second part, you're going to transfer weight right away after one. So I'm going to diagonal again. So I engage my abdominal. Get ready. On your mark, get set. Slow running. Inhale. Exhale. You ready? Step down. I'm switching direction. And the inhale. Exhale. Switch direction. And inhale, exhale, switch direction. And inhale, exhale, switch direction. And one more set here. Like I said, you can touch the ground, right? Go. Now orientation changing. That's the beauty about all Qigong Tai Chi trend, right? So that's your modification. If I face you, okay, so right here, again, bend my knee first. I do one at a time. So right side, step side, prepare on the inhale. Exhale, inhale forward, exhale back. Again, inhale step. Exhale, you ready? Bring in. And the inhale, exhale, step down, inhale, exhale, forward, inhale, sorry, here we go. Inhale, exhale, step, inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, diagonally back, right? Exhale, and tummy, inhale, exhale. One more time, the left leg, inhale, exhale, inhale, step in. Okay, if you come to take the workshop, we have all these 5 contemporary Qigong in one weekend for you to learn, and we're adding the turns too. But right now, don't worry about turn because then you can't see me, right? So I won't not teach that until you're in the studio. But if you're walking space, you can, right? It's running, so we can use it to go to space. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna come over here a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to facing the direction I'm going. Right, so here we go. Bend the knee on your mark, get set. Here we go. Inhale, diagonally back. Inhale, you can see my tummy. Lower the heel down, transfer the weight. And again, inhale, exhale. Sorry about that. Here we go. Inhale, you slowly, I'm gonna lower. Use the right leg, lower that opposite heel down. And exhale, total transfer weight on the exhale. Then you're going again. Inhale, exhale. Ready? Inhale, transfer the weight, exhale. Again, tummy in, spine's moving. I'm constantly looking forward. And ready? Inhale, lower, and return. And inhale, and exhale. And inhale, lower, exhale, return. Back face out to you. You can see how it looks. And lower that heel down. Transfer weight. So even you need to loop around and exhale, right? Loop around nice and smooth. Again, like I say, you can touch the ground slowly. Now you can because you transfer and down. So you start balancing just for the transition. So touch down, and you just balance on the transitions, right? So my legs up, then I lower down. One last one. And so this is the modification. You can modify it a little bit, but right here, there's a true challenge right here. And you slowly touch down and return. So let's see if you can practice. What we did is Qigong walking. Okay, the Qigong walking is always with the knee bend. Unlike walking, you learn all, you learn all this in the purposeful movement and night focus. So if you're not quite sure, go to the playlist, right? You're on the YouTube right now, playlist, and you will find walking, okay? Joyful walking, different ways. And as you walk at the park and Qigong walking. So thank you so much. And this is walking in air, challenge your balance and your coordination, balance off visual every day if you run 3 times a week or however, balance off, okay? So we bring the mind and body total together and your breath. So we conclude all 5 movements, right? 5 parts of 5 movements for the contemporary Qigong. So hope you had time to study them. And the best part to study is actually take the 2 to 3 days immersive workshop at my studio with me, and right, so person to person you can learn, seeing as much as you can. There are so much more information. I didn't want to overwhelm the video study. And the video is what something for you to, right, something new for you to see, and going a little deeper and bring you to study in person. And then when you go back, we have a take home video too, so you can follow through over and over. So thank you so much again. I really hope to see you in the studio. This is my home and my yard. And thank you so much, and take good care.